Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with something truly spectacular. I have here with me the Kirby Lambert Raine in a pretty cool and fancy dress right here with me. But hey, don't forget to like this video and maybe consider to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of goodies. What is this? This is a fantastic one. Liner lock, Kirby Lambert, Raine in the flesh. It is a fantastic knife. Probably you are familiar. Maybe you remember this guy over here, which is still Lambert Raine, but it's a little bit different. But today we're not talking about this. We're talking about this guy. This is Kirby Lambert, made in Saskatchewan, Regina, Canada knife. Kirby Lambert Master. This is, by the way, a handmade knife, guys. It's a custom knife. It's a fantastic one. It's made to it's incredible. You have to hold this one in your hand to understand what I'm talking about. This is dragon skin Damascus. You've got some dark tie or Zircuti bolsters, butterscotch vintage paper micarta scales, matching back spacer, tip up carry only dark tie clip. Look at this, guys. Blue anodized, orange peeled finished, titanium liners. Guys, this is insanity. The level of flushness, the level of the feel you've got from this, the sound. This double clack is crazy. The action, guys, is just spectacular. Clack, clack. Boom. Clack, clack. And done. I mean, just a gorgeous, gorgeous knife. Let's quickly check the size on this guy. It's 8.25 inches overall in length, 3.5 inch long blade, but cutting edge is going to be 3.3 inch long, and the handle is going to be 4.6, 4.7 inches. In centimeters, that translates into 20.5 for the overall length. Translating to 8.3 centimeters for the cutting edge and 11 8 for the handle. It's a gorgeous knife, guys. This is running on bearings and the action is just like this. Smooth, and the sound is just clack clack, guys. Clack clack. Oh, it's one of the best sounding knife that I have, guys. Like, very different than this other Raine that I have. Less loud. This is louder, and there's a double clack. This one is just a clack. So unique sound. You see, like, the same model, same maker can have different sound because of the different materials employed here. The resonance is different. This paper micarta is just gorgeous to look at, very cool to the touch. Of course, these bolsters are fantastic. Hardware is dual anodized. The Zirc pivot color is matching on both sides. I mean, crazy. Really a crazy blade, which I love. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.